I'm Richard Clarke. I record these talks every day as a way to deepen my inquiry. Listen each day and deepen your own practice.
Welcome. I'm reviewing and commenting on the book Talks with Sri Ramana Maharshi. Today is from Talk 596. Questioner: what is most suitable for gaining facilities for steady dhyana? Maharshi: it depends on one's samskara. One may find hatha yoga suitable, and another man nama japa, and so on. The essential point is the Atma Vichara, inquiry into the self. Questioner: is it enough if I spend some time in the morning and some time in the evening for this Atma Vichara? Or should I do it always, say, even when I'm writing or walking? Maharshi: now, what is your real nature? Is it writing, walking, or being? The one unalterable reality is being. Until you realize that state of pure being, you should pursue the inquiry. If once you are established in it, there will be no further worry. No one will inquire into the source of thoughts unless thoughts arise. So as long as you think, I am walking, I am writing, inquire who does it. These actions will, however, go on when one is firmly established in the self. Does a man always say, I am a man, I am a man, I am a man, every moment of his life? He does not say so, and yet all his actions are going on. The questioner asks, what is the most effective for steady meditation? Dhyana. Sri Ramana Maharshi responds by acknowledging individual differences. He explains that the approach depends on a person's samskara, or ingrained tendencies. Some may benefit from hatha yoga, while others may find practices like nama japa, chanting, effective. However, the Maharshi emphasizes that the essential practice is Atma Vichara, or self-inquiry. This practice directs you to investigate the nature of the I and leads to the realization of your true self. When the questioner asks if self-inquiry should only be done at specific times or continuously, Ramana shifts the focus to the deeper reality of existence. He poses a crucial question. What is your real nature? Is it writing, walking, or being? Writing and walking are activities, but your true nature is being itself, the unchanging awareness underlying all actions. Until you realize this state of pure being, know it directly as your experience, self-inquiry must be pursued consistently. The Maharshi explains that as long as you identify with activities, thinking, I am walking or I am writing, you should inquire, who is the one doing this? This process brings your attention back to the source of the thought, the I. Over time, this inquiry dissolves the false identification with actions and reveals the self as the unchanging awareness in which all actions arise and subside. Ramana uses an analogy to illustrate this state. A man does not need to constantly remind himself, I am a man, yet all his actions proceed naturally from that understanding. Similarly, once you are firmly established in the self, actions like writing or walking continue, but the sense of being the doer disappears. The actions are no longer driven by ego or attachment. Ramana Maharshi's teaching points to a shift in perception. Instead of being caught up in activities or thoughts, you recognize that your true nature is the ever-present awareness that observes them. Self-inquiry is not just a technique, but a continuous effort to return to this awareness. Once established in the self, you experience an effortless peace, free from worry or identification with external activities. This realization is the ultimate goal of meditation and spiritual practice. It is a matter of identity. Just who do you think you are? So know yourself and be always free and at peace. In 40 Verses on Reality, Ramana Maharshi explains the nature of the self, the ultimate reality, and self-inquiry. My new book, with my comments and inquiry questions, opens these teachings up and brings them into your practice and experience. Available now from Amazon. Link in the video description. These videos bring Ramana's teachings into your direct experience. Click subscribe to see more. Click thumbs up to like, and send questions and start a dialogue with a comment.